Solving linear inequalities. We're going to solve this just like a regular equation, but if I have to divide by a negative, I'm going to flip the inequality. Also, I'm always going to keep my x on the left and my constants on the right. So this first problem, I'm going to subtract 5. So I'm left with 3x is greater than negative 12. I'm going to divide both sides by a negative 3. Since I divided by a negative, I flip the inequality and x equals 4. This is inequality notation. If it asks for interval notation, what I like to do is I like to graph it. Here's 0, here's 4, open circle, and x is everything less than 4. So my interval notation will go from negative infinity, because I read it from left to right, to 4 with an open parentheses, and that's interval notation. I personally prefer interval notation, but if it doesn't ask, you can choose either answer. Next one, my goal again is let's keep the x's on the left and the numbers on the right. So I'm going to subtract 3 to its like term. So negative 4x is greater than or equal to negative 5 plus x. I'm going to subtract x to both sides. So negative 5x greater than or equal to negative 5. Divide by negative 5. And because I'm dividing by a negative, I'm going to switch the inequality. So x equals a positive 1. It's super important that you write out every step just so you don't miss those little pieces. Again, I'm going to graph it. Here's 0, here's 1. This time I have a closed circle and I'm going in this direction. So my interval notation will go from negative infinity to 1, but this time I'm going to use a bracket because it includes 1.